Derailments can be caused by any number of reasons. It could be something as simple as a lightweight flat car being shoved behind a heavy boxcar. Also, S-curves can cause derailments of longer passenger cars. And if your locomotive frequently stops on the same section of track, it usually pays to clean the track. If that doesn't fix the problem, you could check for a bad track connector. Finding the cause of derailments and stoppages is usually just a process of elimination. A stoppage could be as simple as a small blob of glue disrupting the power flow, or you might need a more powerful transformer, as the track may be too large for the one you have. I guess the point I'm making is that building and operating a model train layout needs to be viewed as a series of small challenges to test your level of persistence and dedication to the hobby. Rather than looking at problems as a series of annoying obstacles, try to embrace problems, and you will get a real buzz when you actually solve them.